welcome back to my channel Aqua Soul, and this is your girl DJ Sarah. So guys, today I'm going to the beach for a swim, and I had last gone to beach for a swim was in Maldives. That was in Feb for my birthday, and now I'm going after so many months. I don't usually like going to the beaches, but I like waterfalls. It has just started raining and I can't wait to explore a lot of waterfalls in Goa and take you to all the places there. So I've packed my bag and I'm going to wear this thing. I had got this in a hotel uh, during the welcome, and this is actually for the neck, but I'm not going to wear this for the neck. I'm going to wear it in the hand because I'm wearing a bikini inside, so I don't think this will suit it. So I'll wear it for the hand. And yeah, so this is how it looks. It gives such a beachy vibes with all the seashells. So guys, let's not waste time and go to the beach and have lots of fun today. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the Betalbati beach. This is also called the Lovers Beach, and I'm here at this beach after a very long time. I used to come here when I was a teenager with my friends for beers and for chilling, and I'm so happy to be here guys. The air, it's so fresh, so refreshing. I really feel good coming here after so many years. There's no one at the beach guys. There are hardly any people, and I'm liking it because I'm going to wear bikini, so I can shoot comfortably now. There are cops here. Guys, there are cops here on the beach, and the cops and the lifeguard, they are not allowing anyone to go on the beach. They are not allowing anyone to go in the deep waters, and I'm not done yet. I want to swim more, so I'm just waiting for them to leave and have more fun guys. I'm really not done. I want to go and swim more. So guys, this man has helped me to take my videos and look at my scene guys. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. I've come here for the final leap, and it's getting dark and there are more people. I see more people coming to the beach. So I'll just take my final leap and leave from here. Being a Goan, I never come on a beach this way and have bath alone. Usually I come with my friends. Usually I come with my friends, and today for a change I thought of coming on a beach to vlog something, and unexpectedly it's so much fun, guys. It's so much fun. And from now on whenever I'm bored at home, I'm going to come to a beach and have bath alone. It's so much fun, it's so peaceful, it's so relaxing. You guys must try it. If you're bored at home, even if you're not bored at home, go to the closest beaches, wherever you'll stay, and just sit there and relax and do nothing. It's so peaceful, guys. It gives such a good vibes, and I'm enjoying it. Wow. So guys, I'm going to stay here for some more time, and then we'll go to have some food. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm back home and just look at my state. And I have got lots of food. Chicken sandwiches, french fries, and a pizza. Lots of food. Alright, so with this, my vlog has come to an end. I was so damn exhausted after bathing for more than 3 hours on the beach. I just came home and slept off. There was no energy left to even do the outro of my vlog, so here it is. This is a very short vlog, but I'm going to get many more exciting vlogs in the month of June, July and August. This monsoon is going to be a blast of many more Goan beaches and waterfalls, that is for sure. So guys, subscribe to my channel Aqua Soul and share my videos if you like it. Like, comment, share and subscribe. And guys, love you all. Take care. Bye.